Have you ever noticed that there are features in Microsoft Teams hidden under the More Options button? In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to create a task from a message. But before we get started, there are a couple of things that you need to know. First, this feature does not work for messages in private channels. Second, the plan that you want to send the task to must be a tab in a team channel. And third, the message that you're choosing does not need to be in the same channel as the planner. Let's jump on the computer and take a look at how this works. To get started, I have navigated to Teams and found a message that I would like to save. In this example, the message has a task. However, you can use this feature to save any message. Hover over the message and you will see the More Options menu. Go to the very bottom and select More Actions, and then select Create Task. A task card will appear, and if your message has a subject line, that will be the title of the task, but you can change it if you would like. For example, I can call this Video Checklist Review. From there, you will need to determine where this task should be created. I can put it on a task list in To Do, or I can put it on a planner. For this one, I am going to choose Planner. And now I have the option to choose a bucket. The video checklist is updated training, so I'm going to assign it to that bucket. In the notes section, you will see the details of the original message as well as a link to it. By default, there is a check mark in the Post a Reply about this task box, which will create a task card below the original message. If you don't want additional messages in your Teams thread, simply deselect this option. When you're ready, select Add a Task. Now we are back in the Teams channel where the message was located, and you can see that an interactive task card has been created. If you would like to view the task, you can simply click on View Details. If you deselected the Post a Reply about this task box, the other way that you can find the task is by navigating to the left-hand menu and selecting the Tasks by Planner app. In the left-hand navigation menu of the app, you will see the available planners that have been shared in Teams. In this scenario, I only have one, and that is my testing team. By default, the plan will display in List View. I prefer to view mine in Board View. Now you can see in the Update Training bucket the Video Checklist Review task. The original message in Teams had an attachment. However, the attachments do not transfer over to Planner. Fortunately, you can click on the link in the Notes section and it will take you right back to the original message. It will be highlighted in yellow for a brief moment to draw your attention. And now we have learned how to save a Teams message as a task. If you'd like to learn more about Teams or other Microsoft applications, please check out my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.